If your Hisense TV doesn't show any Bluetooth option, or the Bluetooth settings are completely missing, you're definitely not the only one dealing with this. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple and safe methods you can try at home to either enable Bluetooth or still use Bluetooth devices with your TV. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes and tips. The very first thing you should do is make sure your TV's software is up to date. On your Hisense TV, go into Settings, then scroll down and select Support. From there, choose System Update. If Auto Update is turned off, manually check to see if a new update is available and install it. Once the update is complete, head back to Settings and check the Connectivity or Remotes and Accessories section to see if the Bluetooth option has appeared. If updating the software doesn't fix the issue, your next option is using an external Bluetooth adapter. This is a small, affordable device that plugs into your TV's USB port, and it usually connects through the headphone jack or audio output as well. Once it's set up, it adds Bluetooth capability to your TV, allowing you to connect headphones, speakers, or even a soundbar. Another reliable solution is using a TV stick or TV box that already includes Bluetooth. Devices like a Fire Stick, Android TV stick, or certain Roku sticks come with Bluetooth built in. Simply plug the stick or box into your TV's HDMI port, then go into the device's own settings to pair your Bluetooth accessories. This lets you use Bluetooth even if your Hisense TV doesn't support it natively. If your TV does have Bluetooth but won't connect, here are a few quick things to check. First, make sure the Bluetooth device you're trying to connect is in pairing mode. Keep the TV and the device close together so the signal stays strong. If it still won't connect, restart both the TV and the Bluetooth device. And if the device pairs successfully but there's no sound, go into your TV's audio settings and select the Bluetooth device instead of the TV's internal speakers. And that's it! If one of these solutions worked for you, or if you have questions about your setup, let me know in the comments below.